हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं आपसे अबाउट तेलंगाना स्टेट इंटीग्रेटेड कॉमन एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन। So the application form for TSICET 2021 has is released. So if you want to be a part of it and if you want to go for this examination, you have to fill an application form beforehand. So for application form, all the details are written over here. As you can see, the last date of filling the application is 15/6, and this is the criteria. This is the payment which we have to pay. So without the late fees, you have to pay 450 for SC, ST, and differentially abled candidates, and for other candidates, you have to pay 650 rupees. And last date of registration and submission of online with late fees. If you are late, then you have to pay extra amount which is given over here. So as you can see, online payment can be done through either credit card, debit card, internet banking, and TS Online AP online centers. Application forms are only accepted through online mode, and the date of examination for TSICET 2021 is 19/8. So here you can see for the this is some details which is about application. So you can't fill the application form until you have paid the fees. So as I'll show you this. So this is the application form. If you want to go for the application form, you have to write your payment reference ID, your qualifying examination hall ticket, your phone number, and your DV, which clearly states that you actually need to make the payment beforehand. We can go back over here. Here you can say application fee payment. Okay, so these are some instructions which are given. You have to click over here to read all the instructions before payment. So these are the last date with late fees. All the information about the examination is given over there, and if you are whether you are eligible for the examination or not is also mentioned. To kindly guys, please read the criteria whether you are eligible or not. And these are some important dates. Regional center, sorry, for entrance examination. You can see the medium of test, qualifying marks, everything is written over here. This is just a 4-page PDF. You can read it very easily. So after reading all this, you have to see this. Fees which are once paid are not refunded or transferred under any circumstances. So please check your eligibility criteria before paying the fees. So rest information you can read. You have to go for the continue option. Guys, remember the email ID and phone number you would be entering. Please enter those phone number or email ID which you are currently using, because all the important notification would be uh, reported to you or informed to you by that email ID and your number only. So this is here where have to you have to actually pay the fees. You have to write your name. These are some details which you have to fill. That's your name, your DOB, that is your date of birth, mobile number above which is mentioned. Whose number are you mentioning? Is it yours, your father, mother, or relative? Your alternate mobile number, your email ID, your qualifying examination, everything. When you will fill all the detail, then you will select the payment type. Then you can click over there and proceed to payment. So as you can see, in case your account is debited and the website gets disconnected before payment receipt, kindly compulsory check your payment status. Now I'll help you to know where you can check your payment status. So here we are back to the first page. Here you can see your payment status, that where your payment is. So you have to write your qualifying exam hall ticket number, your mobile number, and your DAB. Then you can check your payment status. Okay. So if you want to see some fee particulars, your schedule, the schedule of TSICET 2021, and instructions which are provided to candidate, normalization of question paper, user guide, syllabus, mock test, anything you can check over here. If you have any doubt, you can contact them. Here's you have to go over here. You can contact them. This is the email ID, the number, the office address, everything is given over here. The link of the official website is already mentioned in the description box. You can check it over there. So I hope this video was a help for you, and if it was, guys, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day.